To fix PayPal phone verification not working, start by checking your phone number and ensuring it is correct and up to date in your PayPal account. Make sure there are no typos or incorrect digits. If your phone number is correct, proceed to the next step. Check your phone signal and internet connection, as a weak signal or poor internet connectivity can prevent you from receiving the verification code. Try moving to a different location or switching to a different network to see if the issue resolves. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as sometimes corrupt data can cause issues with the verification process. You can do this by going to your browser settings and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Another possible solution is to try a different verification method, such as email verification. If you are unable to receive the verification code via phone, you may be able to verify your account using your email address instead. If none of the above steps work, you may need to contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to resolve the problem. It is also a good idea to check if there are any issues with PayPal's system that may be causing the problem. You can do this by visiting PayPal's website and looking for any notifications or alerts about system maintenance or downtime. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with PayPal phone verification not working. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and be cautious when receiving verification codes to avoid any potential security risks.